So it turns out we can actually measure and construct line segments, and that's really, really easy. Let's take a look at an example. So here we have a line, and it's a number line, so we see points that are marked, so we can see locations of various things. Let's actually find the length of line segment WY. Well, how do I do that? Well, the length of that, let's just find it first of all. So WY is right here. And how do I find the length of that? Well, since I see the numbers on the number line, all I have to do is take the absolute value of the difference of those values. So that length is going to equal the absolute value of 3 minus 0. And what is that? Well, that equals 3. What about the length of line segment XW? Well, let's see where that is. Well, the line segment XW is right here. So what's the length of that line segment? Well, what we do is we take the absolute value of the difference of their locations. So in this case, I would take the absolute value of 3 minus negative 7. And how do I compute that? Well, when we have minus and negative 7, that's the same thing as adding 7. So I basically see 3 plus 7, which is 10, and the absolute value of that is 10. And so I see that the length of this line segment is 10, while the length of this line segment was, in fact, 3. So finding lengths of line segments, especially when they appear on a number line, is not a big deal. We just subtract the numbers that are associated with their endpoints and take an absolute value.